In Parshat Ekev, in Aliyat Shishi and Shvi'i, they standing on the last piece of the parasha, we have two enigmatic, amazing pieces of information. One in Aliyat Shishi, the HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Eretz Yisrael, the land that you're going to proclaim, the land that I'm going to give as achuzah for Eretz, for the eternity, the eternal land of the Jews, is not like Eretz Mitzrayim, is not the amazing land of Egypt that he came out from, that had ample amount of water. Shishkita b'ragdecha ki gan hayarak. It's not like that. Eretz Yisrael has no rain, has no water, right? Limtar hashamayim tishte is going to be desperately in need of the heavenly rain. Now, why is that a good thing? Because when you have ample amount of water, then you kind of like, you don't need Hashem, so to speak. It says, Eretz Yisrael is not going to be like, it's providence day to day. You need to have that relationship with me. And I am going to be actually signaling to you how you do. It mirrors, Eretz Yisrael mirrors our relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, there in Aliyat Shishi, we have the second paragraph of Shema. That if you listen to the mitzvot, then I'm going to have the water come exactly on time. You're going to have abundance of fruits and vegetables and produce and all of that. If you don't, obviously, it won't. So that mirror of a relationship is it's considered one of the greatest levels of bracha. Unlike what we would have thought, that having just abundance of everything, like the bracha of Esav, you'll just have the fatty parts of the best. The Gemara says this is the Italia, the greatest place of earth. That would be Esav. You would think that's a good thing. Torah says, no, I want you to feel that mirror image of our relationship on day-to-day basis. That's the providence. And through that, in Aliyat Shvi'i, it says, when you do that, then you will be the closest thing to invincible. The last psukim of Parashat, the Ekev, Tishme'un, it says, if you do Ele achukim mishpatim, it ends just like it begins with Ekev Tishme'un mishpatim. It says, if you listen, Ele achukim mishpatim, asher tishmeru la'asot ba'aretz, when you do that, then you're going to be invincible. You're going to be, as the pasuk says, Lo yityasev ish bifnechem. No one is going to stand in front of you. Pachdechem u'mora'achem. Your fear and reverence is going to be, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is going to put it al penei kol haaretz, on all of the people of land. Asher tidrachu ba kasher diber lachem. That's the closing pasuk of Parshat Ekev. That Shishi, the message of Shishi and Shvi really going together. That what happens to us in the world mirrors the relationship we have with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and if we work on that, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu himself is going to push away all the obstacles, all the enemies. Be'ezrat Hashem, Amen.